Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So, there are some confusions about choosing the language for your placement preparation process. Like students are confused about I should go with C++, Java or Python. We all know that we have to choose an object oriented programming language because OOPS concepts are asked in interviews. So, now how to choose a language for you? Okay, so video is going to be on this topic. So let us see the pros and cons of each and every language. Then it will be easy for you to decide for which I should go with. Okay. So first of all, let us go with C++. We know that it runs very fast. We know that it is very helpful when we want to go for competitive programming. Okay. If I want to have good stars on HackerRank or Codeforces or like that, and at these places, if I want to run my code very fast, yes, I will need C++. Now let us come to Java. Java is used as a coding language in our college life, and also it is used as a working language in industries. In most of the product based companies, this language is being used. So it is like if you already know Java, they will be happy to know, because at the end they are going to teach you this. If you already know it, it will give you an extra edge. Next thing about this is software development. It is used for developing. If you want to go into web development, app development, or software development, so when you want to go into the software developer roles, okay, this is going to help you very much. And at last we have Python. If you want to go into the field of data, actually, if you want to go into the companies where the work is done on big data, if you want to have a profile of data science, if you want to go into ML or AI, you should go with this. So choose according to your desires. Like, of course, in interviews, like in most of the colleges, what happens, everyone knows, like C++, everyone knows. Okay, Python also everyone knows, but Python we use in colleges for our projects. Actually, if I want to do a project on ML or like that, I will use this language. But when it comes to placements, when it comes to interviews, what I have seen in my college, companies are more asking C++ and Java. Okay, there are a few companies which ask Python also, but majority of the companies will go with C++ and Java. And if you want to know the difficulty level, we all know that Python is the easiest, right? And when it comes to C++, it is like, in comparison of all three, it is bit harder. Why? Because of the concept of pointers. And when it comes to Java, in starting 1 week it may feel like it is tougher than all other two, but at the end you will realize that it have a moderate level because of so many inbuilt functions and libraries. Okay, so now let us talk, what can I choose in C++ or Java. So we know that when I want to go for competitive programming or like that, I can go with C++. Okay, and one more thing, that we all know that everyone, almost everyone knows C++. It is not going to make you stand out of crowd. Okay, if you will go with Java, it will spatially giving you advantage that there will be only few students who will be knowing Java, so it will give you an extra edge. Second thing, when it will come to your training period of companies or internships or like that, it is going to be helpful for you at the end. Okay, because most of the companies are working in Java, so they will teach you this language and you will find it easy at that time. It is not mandatory that all the companies are going to teach you Java. Some companies will teach you Python also, because they may be working on some data work. Okay, but let us talk about the general cases. So at that time, Java is going to be helpful for you. One more thing that Java has the advantage is the development. Okay, if you want to prepare for your front end also, if you want to go into the field of full stack developer, then this language is going to be helpful for you, because you will go with web development or app development or like that. So in these fields, Java is going to be helpful for you. And apart from this, what I can share with you from my experience, Java will be good for you. And one more thing, that whoever is placed in a good product based companies from my college, I have seen that they are all learning Java nowadays. Okay, they are shifting to Java from C++. And apart from all this, there is one more thing I want to share with you. There are some YouTubers who are guiding students to study in this field. Like Aman Dattarwal, there is a channel Apni Kaksa where there is a teacher who has already cracked Microsoft, and there is one more Anuj Bhaiya who is in Amazon, and there is Love Babbar who have already cracked Amazon. So these are some famous YouTubers. You can go and watch their videos. They are also recommending to go with either C++ or Java in these three. And apart from these two, also their personal recommendation is also Java. And at last, there is one more thing I want to discuss with you, that in many colleges, college also teach us a programming language. But I will recommend you not to go according to the college. I'll recommend you to choose according to your own desires, okay, according to your dreams. That will be more helpful to you. So thank you so much for watching this video.